Bullish Doge cost expectation for 2023 is 10 cents to 14 cents. Dogecoin cost could likewise reach 50 cents soon. Bearish Doge cost expectation for 2023 is 4 cents. In Dogecoin cost expectation 2023, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about Doge to examine the future development of the cryptographic money. What is Dogecoin? Dogecoin is a famous image coin that was forked from Litecoin in December 2013. The coin was made by Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer from a viral image of the canine variety, Shiba Inu. Doge keeps on existing as a shared and open-source cryptographic money, not at all like Bitcoin. Dogecoin utilizes a proof-of-work agreement system that depends on the script calculation. This gives less block time for the Dogecoin organization. Bitcoin requires as long as 10 minutes to deal with a block, while in Dogecoin, the block time is 1 moment. This image coin is perceived as the most loved crypto of Tesla chief Elon Musk. Musk's tweet on Dogecoin and his perpetual help for it appears to speed up critical cost rallies for the image coin. Dogecoin value expectation 2023. Dogecoin positions 8th based on coin market cap and conditions of its market capitalization. The outline of the Dogecoin cost expectation for 2023 is made sense of underneath with an everyday time period. In the above outline, Dogecoin laid a flat channel design. A level channel or sideways pattern resembles a square-shaped design. It comprises of no less than 4 contact focuses. This is on the grounds that it needs something like 2 lows to interface, as well as 2 highs. Trading pressure is equivalent, and the predominant bearing of cost activity is sideways. Level channels give an unmistakable and precise method for exchanging by giving trade focuses. At the point when the cost stirs things up around town of the channel, sell your current long position or take a short position. The contrast between the other two is that a flat channel is described as having equivalent ups and downs. At the hour of investigation, the cost of Dogecoin was recorded at 9 cents. On the off chance that the example pattern proceeds, the cost of Doge could arrive at the obstruction levels of 10 cents and 17 cents. On the off chance that the pattern inverts, the cost of Doge might tumble to the help of 6 cents. Dogecoin backing and opposition levels. The outline given underneath clarifies the conceivable obstruction and backing levels of Dogecoin in 2023. According to the above examination, in the event that Dogecoin's bulls start to lead the pack, it could hit an advancement its opposition level of 14 cents. Alternately, on the off chance that Dogecoin's bears rule the pattern, the cost of Doge could plunge to 4 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2023. RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The specialized examination pointers like relative volume, moving normal, and relative strength record of Dogecoin are displayed in the outline underneath. The specialized examination pointer relative volume is utilized to quantify the exchanging volume of a resource connection to its new typical volumes. It is commonly determined by separating the ongoing day's exchanging volume by the normal volume over a predefined period, like the beyond 20 or 50 exchanging days. Likewise, it helps brokers in recognizing uncommon exchanging movement and changes market feeling. At the hour of examination, the RVOL of Dogecoin was found over the end line. Subsequently, it signifies major areas of strength for and of members exchanging the latest thing. At the hour of examination, the RSI of Doge is at 73.39. Along these lines, this demonstrates Doge is in an overbought state. Likewise, this affirms that Doge conveys a sell signal. Dogecoin value expectation 2023. ADX, RVI in the underneath outline. We dissect the strength and unpredictability of Dogecoin utilizing the accompanying specialized examination markers, normal directional record, and relative instability file. To investigate the strength of the pattern force, let us observe the typical directional record. The ADX esteem is gotten from the 2 directional development markers like plus DI. DI and is communicated between 0 to 100, as per the information on the above diagram. The ADX of Doge lies in the scope of 25.02, bringing up major areas of strength for it. The above outline likewise shows another specialized pointer, the general unpredictability file. This marker estimates the instability of a resource's cost development over a particular period. As for the diagram's information, the RVI of Doge lies over 50, demonstrating high unpredictability. Examination of Doge with BTC. ETH. Let us presently look at the value developments of Dogecoin with that of Bitcoin and Ethereum. From the above outline, we can decipher that the value activities of Doge is a comparable pattern as for BTC and ETH. This demonstrates that when the cost of BTC and ETH increments, the cost of Doge increments. Also, when the cost of BTC and ETH diminishes, the cost of Doge diminishes. Dogecoin value expectation 2024 to 2030. With the assistance of the previously mentioned specialized investigation pointers and pattern designs, let us anticipate the cost of Dogecoin somewhere in the range of 2024 and 2030. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2024. On the off chance that bulls rule the value, energy, and pattern designs, Dogecoin could effectively test and outperform its opposition levels to hit $1 by 2024. Dogecoin Cost Expectation 2025. The critical overhauls in the Dogecoin environment could convince the passage of an expanded number of financial backers. This may ultimately help the Dogecoin cost to reach $3 by 2025. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2026. If Dogecoin effectively tests its significant obstruction levels and keeps on moving upwards, then, at that point, it would revitalize to hit $5. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2027. If Dogecoin supports significant opposition levels and stands as a superior venture choice on the lookout, then, at that point, Doge would mobilize to hit $7. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2028. If Dogecoin holds a positive market opinion in the midst of the profoundly unstable crypto market by driving critical cost rallies, then Doge would hit $9 by 2028. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2029. On the off chance that financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on Dogecoin, then the crypto would observe significant spikes. Consequently, Doge could hit $11 by 2029. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, the Doge cost could revitalize to $13 in the event that the pattern energy adjusts for Dogecoin. Moreover, Doge would hold a positive market opinion and be named as a drawn-out venture with exceptionally productive return for capital invested. And if Dogecoin secures itself as a wise interest in 2023, this year would be positive for the digital currency. All in all, the bullish Dogecoin cost expectation for 2023 is 14 cents. Nearly. The negative Dogecoin cost expectation for 2023 is 4 cents. In the event that there is a positive rise in the market force and financial backers feeling, then, at that point, Dogecoin could hit 50 cents. Besides, with future updates and headways in the Dogecoin environment, Doge could outperform its ongoing all-time high of 73 cents and mark its new ATH. 1. What is Dogecoin? Dogecoin is the trailblazer memecoin that hit the business sectors in late 2013. It was conceived out of a viral canine image. Dogecoin network was a fork of Litecoin. 2. Where might you at any point buy Dogecoin? Dogecoin has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate Binance, Coinbase Trade, KuCoin, Bitfinex. 3. Will Dogecoin come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and redesigns inside the Dogecoin stage, Doge has a high chance of arriving at its ATH soon. 4. What is the ongoing all-time high of Dogecoin? Dogecoin hit its ongoing all-time high of 73 cents on May 8, 2021. 5. What is the most reduced cost of Dogecoin? As indicated by CoinMarketCap, Doge hit its unsurpassed low of $0 May 6, 2015. 6. Will Dogecoin reach 50 cents? Dogecoin is one of the dynamic cryptos that keeps on keeping up with its bullish state. In the end, in the event that this bullish pattern proceeds, Dogecoin will hit 50 cents soon. 7. What will be Dogecoin cost by 2024? Dogecoin cost is supposed to reach $1 by